Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are visiting Visapur Fort, almost 35 miles away from Pune city, yet unknown and less visited fort rather than its twin fort Lohagarh, due to bit difficult terrain to hike. Maravali, its nearest locality from where you can approach towards all three hiking paths for this fort. First one starts from base of Lohagarh, another one routed from Bhaje caves, and the last one we are going through starts from Patan village. Route we are following is longest of all, and it takes almost 2 hours to reach fort top. Please follow this trail sequence in case you are willing to cover all places on fort, as it's very huge fort and unnecessary turns might cost you missing something very interesting. If you have watched my previous video about Korigar Fort, I am referring it for comparison here. This fort have almost 3 times bigger plateau than Fort Korigat. The most important thing while hiking this route, please make sure to follow direction lines. Whomsoever did this, I really appreciate this kind of gesture towards trekkers, as chances of getting lost in this trail are way more than rest 2 trails. I will not suggest to do this trek alone in case you have recently started trekking or less experienced, as first 1 hour you will be passing through almost dark forest. I did this trek in summertime due to these trees are not that much crowded. But believe me, few locations are a bit dark and scary. Let's talk little bit about history of this fort. Twin forts Logar and Visapur have played major role to protect trade route towards Pune city from 17th century. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj captured this fort on year 1660. However, he lost this fort to Mughals within Purandar Treaty at year 1665. Unfortunately, unlike Lohagarh Fort, this fort is less known in spite of very well preserved fortification and huge size. There are very few records available to describe history of this fort. Presence of water reservoirs and caves alongside hiking path pulls origin of this fort in this area almost 2000 years back. In case you lost the path, do not hesitate to ask for help. Villagers here are kind enough to guide you towards correct path. There are no stairs on this remaining patch of hike. You have to walk through loose stones towards northern entrance. Now we are almost reaching towards top of the fort. At right hand we have very beautifully carved Lord Hanuman statue. There are no details available about age of this sculpture. In front of us we have two large caves. These can easily accommodate more than 20 people at a time. Going upwards, these are most iconic and very popular stairs on social media. Ambience here in monsoon is beyond beautiful. This is only cannon available on Fort Top today, and it's broken one. According to its structure, maybe half of its part is missing. There are very few buildings on this fort. This is one of them. According to structure, it might be soldier's cottage or food storage room. As I said earlier, there are plenty of water reservoirs on this fort top. As of now, only one reservoir have drinkable water. At exact center of the fort, we have beautiful and well-maintained temple of Lord Shiva. This is part of southern entrance, which is end point of hike which starts from Lohagat base. These two large buildings are built concurrently. Maybe these ones are largest of all. Not sure about use of first building, but next one might be main office of this fort. These hollow structures on wall are placements for wood, which helps to strengthen the roof structure. If any one of you are fond of collecting different stones, then this fort is heaven for you. There are tons of different types of stones available on this plateau. Nearest forts which are visible from this place are Tikona, Tung, Lohagad, Korigad, and Mrugagad. I have tried to cover almost every building and structure of this fort. Please let me know if you are enjoying this content. Also check my previous fort vlogs, it might help you to plan your next trek properly. Please like and share this video with your friends and family who love to travel and hike. It will encourage me to do this more often. We'll meet you in next adventure. Till then stay safe and take care of your family.